I'm going to make sure that I give you some incredible value in this talk. I'm going to teach you some of the best strategies in the world for trading and investing. And I'm going to teach you the full strategies, exactly how to do this. You're going to get a lot of great value in this talk. First of all, there are two main ways to make money. The first way is what people who are not investing do. How do people who are not investing make money? Anybody? They work, yeah? Or they own their own business. And what are they doing? They're exchanging their time for money. And then once they've got the money, what do they do with it? They spend it on their lifestyle, they pay their rent, their mortgage, their bills, their food, and hopefully, at the end of the month, they've got a bit left over to pay for their lifestyle, to enjoy their lifestyle. Now, what's the problem with that situation? What happens to the money? It runs out, yeah? And then they've got to sacrifice their lifestyle, work some more, earn some more, spend it on their lifestyle. The money runs out, they've got to spend more of their time earning more money, spending on their lifestyle. That is what we call the financial trap, where you have to constantly exchange your time for money. Now, maybe you're currently in that situation. Perhaps you have a job or you own your own business, and you have to keep on working just to support your lifestyle. And maybe at the end of the month, you don't have much money left over to enjoy your lifestyle. Maybe, even though you work really hard, you don't have enough money to buy the house that you really want to buy, or go on the holiday that you really want to go on, or buy the car that you really want to buy. Or perhaps just at the end of the month, you have the stress of just trying to pay the bills. Now, that's one situation. But maybe you make a lot of money, but you don't have much time. And when you do get time, you don't really have time to enjoy it. Now, whether you have a job or you own your own business, if you want true financial security, true financial freedom, you've got to have a second stream of income, where your money is making you more money, where your money is working for you. Because who knows what might happen? Maybe your company decides to downsize and you lose your job. Maybe your business hits hard times. But if you've got this second stream of income, where your money is working for you, it doesn't matter so much what else happens in the rest of your life. You always have this stream of income coming in. So, a normal job in the UK, how many weeks holiday do we get a year? Normal job in the UK? 4, 5 if you're lucky, yeah? Who likes that deal? I didn't like that deal when I started out. I thought there's got to be a better way. I did the calculation. If you start work at 16 and you retire slightly young at 60, guess how many years of your own life you had to do what you want to do? 4. The rest was given away to someone else. I thought there's no way I'm giving away the best part of my life to someone else. There's got to be a better way. So how do you get out of this financial trap? You've got to get your money working for you. So you start to invest. You've got to be investing. You invest initially, perhaps it's just a small amount of money. Is that money going to make enough money to pay for your lifestyle initially? Well, probably not initially. So what you've got to do is work a bit more, earn a bit more money, put a bit more into your investment. Maybe it's still not big enough to earn enough money to pay for your lifestyle. So you work a little bit more, earn a bit more, put it into the investment until that investment gets big enough that it pays enough money to pay for your lifestyle. And then you have all the time that you want to do whatever you want. And you can choose whether you work or not. That's what it's all about. That's what this talk is going to be about. I'm going to be giving you exact strategies to get you onto that path so that you can choose whether you work or not. Now, when you're thinking about this, don't just be thinking, well, this would be great for me to do. Think about for your children as well, if you have children. Make sure that your children never get in this financial trap, never have to spend their whole life working. You now have the opportunity to make sure your children never go through that, if you have children. You can teach them this stuff as well. Now, the trading and investing puzzle. There are 4 pieces to it, and you need to know each of these 4 pieces. It's vital that you know all the 4 pieces. The first piece is Forex. The second piece is stock market. The third piece is short term. The fourth piece is medium to long term. Forex short term, that tends to be good for short-term capital growth. That's what it's particularly good for. Also, stock market short term, that's also good for short-term capital growth. And you need to know both, because sometimes Forex is best to use, sometimes stock market is best to use for this part of it. So you've got to know both sides. Also, stock market short term is very good for getting a monthly income, because you can do something with shares that you can't do with Forex. You can get what we call a dividend, which is where the company actually pays you for owning the shares. And if you do it in the right way, you can get a great extra income from owning shares. Now, this next bit here, stock market medium to long term, that is probably the most important piece of the investing puzzle. And if you're going to learn anything, that's the bit you need to know. Because this is best for getting a consistent monthly income. It's also the best for if you have a pension. If you want to build up your pension, it's the best way to do it, stock market, medium to long term. Also, if you're about to take a chunk of money out of your pension, it's the best way to make sure you get a good income on it and you grow your pension. And also, it's very good for building serious, secure, medium to long-term wealth. The richest investors in the world, they all do it through stock market investing. Warren Buffett, the richest investor in the world, he's worth $70 billion. Third richest person in the world. How did he make his money? Stock market investing. So you've got to know this piece of it. And the last bit, medium to long-term Forex, that's more for hedging. If you're trading foreign markets and you want to hedge your Forex risk, that's the way you can do it. So what are we going to cover in this session? Let me tell you about the strategies I'm going to give you. I'm going to teach you the smart way to invest. System I came up with based on learning from some of the world's top traders. I'm going to show you the power of sector investing. Incredibly powerful, hardly anyone knows it. I'll give you the exact strategy. Going to show you how to correct the main market mistakes, the main mistakes traders and investors make. Going to give you a simple, high-profit, low-risk strategy. I'll show you exactly how to use that. I'm going to show you how to protect your capital. I'm going to show you how to make money even if you get more than half your trades wrong. If you have any questions, if you can save them till the end, that way we'll get everything done on time. What I would say is, in this kind of next hour, I am going to give you proven strategies that work, exactly how to do them. So just jot this stuff down. You'll get some incredible value.